So the next one is this. So this is the scalp, okay? So we use this either number 4. So you see number 4 has a 5-minute intense treatment, or number 5, 2-minute quick treatment. So how we use this is simple. We use the Nutriol hair serum. This is the one that's giving my hair that fluff and keep growing baby hair, making it very messy sometimes. So anyway, what we do is just spray at areas we want the hair to grow. So for like me, I'll spray at the edges because I always split my hair either left, right, or center. Then I will turn it on to number 4. I will spritz the Nutriol like 2 to 3 times. Or make sure your hand is also wet before you touch the bag. And just comb it up. See? For sound also one. Yeah, just keep combing it backwards. It's a scalp treatment, so you can comb through your entire scalp. I also love to use this with the serum. If you have headaches, I did this for my dad when he had a headache, or migraine, or you watch the TV or the computer too long and you have a very, very uncomfortable headache or pain or any part of your head, use this with the serum and then you just comb through. Oh, I tell you, very shocked one, the feeling. You comb, it's like having a head massage, but on your own. Yeah, you really feel the relief one. Migraine, headache, instant relief. And can get addicted to it. Well, one thing good about this, you can use this every day. Okay, the serum for the hair, you can use every day. Sometimes even without the serum, I'll just comb. I won't turn on, I'll just comb because it's very, the massage, it's very therapeutic itself. This part here, right, I don't know how they make it, but it's just amazing on the scalp. Okay, so it's so amazing, right? One device, so many benefits. So remember your headaches, right? I just comb, especially here, the here is where you get migraines most often. The headache is here. Okay, migraines here, you can, you can do through your eyebrows. Okay, because I turn it on, that's why, and it's dry. But I don't know if you can grow eyebrow. I don't want to try it because I'm trying to trim my eyebrows. But yeah, just keep combing through. It's a 2-minute thing, so how do I know if it's up? So you see the beeping sound that it calls, right? It usually beeps every 10 seconds. Every 10 seconds, it's going to beep to let you know that it's still running. Okay, but nobody counts. Nobody really counts. You can count. Okay, some do count. Okay, but when it ends, it's gonna sound like beep, beep, beep. Means it's ended. Okay. Or if you keep doing, right, and then more than 10 seconds and no sound one, no sound means, right, it's either too dry, nothing's channeling the galvanic current, or your hand dry already. Yeah. So what you can do is you can spray your hand first and try again. Still no teeth, then you need to add more solutions here on your face or body or your hair. Okay. Yeah. So you see it's still beeping. You heard that? So it means off already. Beep, beep, beep means ended. Okay, that's how you know when your treatment is done.